making a rotten, she's got to be bad. Life without this crazy cat would be so sad. Always makes a mess and gets mom and dad mad. He's a really, really rotten Ralph. Rotten Ralph.
It's him.
Playing some jokes and rotten Ralph. You're in trouble again. This little kitty everyone ever had. He's a really, really rotten Ralph.
Sing it again.
He's a really, really rotten Ralph.
Woohoo! Hee-hee! Woohoo! Why should I get some exercise instead of watching TV when I can do both? This is the life. What more can I possibly want?
Attention, all kids! The new Bongo Bob action figure is here, complete with working toy buzzer, fake barf, and rubber squirrel. Don't be the last one on your block to own one. Buy now! Buy now! Buy now!
I got to have that toy. Whoa!
Come on. Ow!
Oops.
Is that you, Ralph?
Yes, and I was wondering.
I can't hear a word you're saying over that annoying refrigerator hum.
Really? Is it okay if we have chocolate cake for dinner every night? And would you mind if we sent Cousin Percy off to the tundra farm in Alaska for 10 years? And would you buy me the new Bongo Bob action figure?
Yes!
All right! Woohoo! Thanks, Dad!
What? No!
Huh? But it comes with a working joint buzzer, fake barf, and rubber squirrel.
Yeah, well then, definitely not.
Oh, what about an advance in my allowance then?
How about you finally do something to deserve your allowance?
Sarah, I missed you. How are you?
What do you want, Ralph?
That obvious.
Uh-huh.
Well, you see, there's this incredible Bongo Bob toy I just gotta have, and...
I'm sorry, Ralph. I'd love to help, but I don't have any money to lend you. Dad, the fridge sounds like it's in pain.
I know, honey, but I can only fix one thing at a time.
I can't believe it. There's another huge scratch on the trunk of the car.
Ralph, are you out there?
Gee, that's too bad. Maybe it would make you feel better if you bought me the new Bongo...
Do you have any idea how much we'll have to pay someone to fix that paint job?
More than a Bongo Bob action figure?
A lot more than a Bongo Bob action figure.
Really? Well, gotta go.
No, Ralph! No!
Ralph, where are you going?
I just got an idea that'll save lots of money.
Whatever it is, be a good little kitty.
Can we do something about this awful noise coming from the fridge?
Boy, this car could really use a new attitude. Let's see. Purple and green make red. Or is it yellow? Who cares? Let's use them all. Picasso on wheels. Maybe it could use a splash of blue above the tires. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Yes! Now that really brings it alive. And now for the final touch that says, Masterpiece by Ralph. Boy, is Dad gonna be proud to be seen driving around town in this beauty.
I feel like I've been working on this all day.
You have been, dear.
Hey, everybody! Have I got a surprise for you?
Ralph, how did you get that paint all over you?
Well, sometimes you gotta spill a little paint to make a pretty car. Don't thank me yet. Wait until you see the beauty sitting out front. Yes, I've done it again. I deserve a treat. Ooh, the last piece of Dad's favorite pie. It'd be rotten of me to eat it. But he'll forgive me after he's seen the job I did on the car. Oh, another perfect job for Fix-It Ralph. There. Wow, there is nothing I can't solve. Now, before you thank me for the car, I've got something to tell you.
And I have something to tell you, Ralph. You are in a world of trouble.
I see. Yes, thank you. Goodbye. Well, that was good news. The insurance is going to cover most of the damage to the car.
And in the meantime, Ralph can work off the rest.
But I fixed it.
No buts, Ralph. Now, according to the manual, all I have to do is take this rubber ring off, clean it, and put it back on. Oh, it's no use.
Why don't you just go and relax, dear? I'll call the repairman. Like I suggested 4 hours ago.
You know how much that's gonna cost? Oh, never mind.
You know, I still might be able to get that Bongo Bob action figure after all. There! Whew, that was way too much work. Hello, Bongo Bob. Cool. Ride 'em, cowboy!
Ralph, what are you doing? Get on, Ralph, I mean it.
Be careful, honey.
Ralph, you're worse than rotten.
Oh, why do I get the feeling that I might not get that action figure after all? On second thought... all it needed was a little adjustment. And now you don't even have to turn on the tap to get the water running. Whoa, you guys look awful. You should get some fresh air.
We just got plenty of fresh air, Ralph. We also just got a ticket for doing 35 in a school zone and driving an unlicensed washing machine.
Well, I got some good news that'll perk you right up.
Huh? Is that water I hear running? I haven't fixed the sink yet.
That's my news. I fixed it for you.
Oh, no, Ralph, you didn't.
What?
You ruined the car, you sent the washing machine racing off down the street, and you flooded the kitchen. What have you got to say for yourself?
Not bad for a day's work. I was trying to do the right thing. It just came out all rotten. I just wanted to find a way to help my family and maybe get a little extra money to help buy a Bongo Bob guy. I guess you'll be wanting to get rid of me.
Oh, Ralph.
Well, I guess you were just trying to be helpful. Okay, I can advance your allowance on one condition.
Anything.
I'm willing to give you the money for your Bongo Bob toy as long as you promise not to help around the house anymore.
Well, I was going to polish all the bathroom tiles one by one, but if you insist.
Well, the sink is finally finished. What an exhausting day. And because of you, I now have 10 more chores to do than when I woke up this morning. But at least you can't do any more damage around here. Hey, the refrigerator's not humming. This hasn't been such a bad day after all.
Andiamo.